Hello dear students, we are into lecture 12 of Bridge course. Hope you are not finding the classes very difficult. Even though you are finding it difficult, it is very important. Okay, so mechanics, okay, motion of object or mechanics part in first PUC and first PUC physics is little difficult. So if you try to understand all these mechanics topic right now, it will become very easy for you in class 11. Okay. We will solve some problems today. Based on projectile motion, we are going to solve easy problems. Try to understand. The first one, the very simple one. At the maximum height position reached by a projectile, the angle between acceleration and instantaneous velocity is, okay. So there is a projectile which is launched from the ground. So we know. So this is how the projectile moves. At the maximum height launched from the ground, the angle between acceleration and instantaneous velocity, this is the maximum height. What is the direction of velocity of the projectile? How to find the direction of velocity? What you have to do? You have to draw a tangent. Correct na? Here what is the direction of velocity? Here this is the direction of velocity. At the maximum height, this will be the direction of velocity. Here what is the direction of acceleration? We know direction of acceleration is always downwards because only gravitational force is acting. So what is the angle between acceleration and velocity? Angle between acceleration and velocity is 90 degree. 90 degree. Hope you can understand. Okay. Now, say I call this as initial point, this as maximum height, this as final point. Okay. Some additional information. Additional information. Okay. Between I and F. Sorry. Between I and H. Between I and H. Say for example, I'll consider a point here. Okay. What is the direction of velocity? This is the direction of velocity. What is the direction of acceleration? Acceleration is downwards. So angle is obtuse. Okay, between I and H till the projectile reaches the maximum height, angle between velocity and acceleration is obtuse. At the maximum height, angle is 90 degree. After that, between, so this is obtuse angle. Okay. Between H and F, say for example, I will consider a point here. What is the direction of velocity? This is the direction of velocity. What is the direction of acceleration? This is the direction of acceleration. So what is the angle between them? Angle between them is acute. Okay, acute. From the maximum point to the final position, the angle between velocity and acceleration is acute angle. Remember, okay, between I and H, angle between acceleration and velocity is obtuse. At H, angle between acceleration and velocity is 90 degree. Between H and F, final point, angle is acute. Okay. Next. A body is projected so that range is maximum. A body is projected so that range is maximum. When range is maximum? When range is maximum? Theta equal to 45 degree. We have proved it. Okay. That is the hint that they were given. A body is projected so that range is maximum. The maximum height attained during its flight. Okay. Means what they have given is a body is projected making an angle 45 degree with the horizontal. And the range is maximum. That maximum range they have given it as R. What is the maximum height attained during its flight in this path? What is the maximum height? This is the maximum height. Correct na? This is the maximum height. So that maximum height we have to find out. Okay. How to find out maximum height? Maximum height, what is the formula? H is equal to U square sin square theta divided by 2g. H is equal to U square sin square theta divided by 2g. You should remember all the equations. Equation of trajectory, y is equal to tan theta x minus 2u square g divided by 2u square cos square theta. Correct na? Time of maximum height, u sin theta by g. Time of flight, 2u sin theta by g. Maximum height, u square sin square theta divided by 2g. Range, u square by g into sin 2 theta. All this formula you have to remember. Okay. Now here in this case, since r is maximum, theta equal to 45 degree. Na? Theta equal to 45 degree. What is sin 45 degree? What is sin 45 degree? Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So therefore, what is sine square 45 degree? Sine square 45 degrees, 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 will be 1 by 2. Okay. So h equal to u square by 2g into 1 by 2. Okay. Or this can be written as 1 by 4 into u square by g. 1 by 4 into u square by g. Now what is u square by g? Body is projected so that range is maximum. Range is maximum. What is the formula for maximum range? U square by g. Correct na? Maximum range is u square by g. Okay. Now what is h? See, h equal to 1 by 4 into u square by g. U square by g means maximum range, or r by 4. H equal to r by 4, or the maximum height traveled in its flight is r by 4. Which is the answer? Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay. Next problem. Okay, if h is the maximum height attained and t is the time of flight of a projectile, correct relationship is, okay, h is equal to t into u sin theta. H is equal to t into u sin theta divided by 4. Okay, these are the options. In all the options, that what you see is there is h and there is t. There is a relation between h and t. Correct na? Then what you do is perform this h by t. What happens we will see. What is h? H is equal to u square sin square theta divided by g divided by time of flight. Time of flight means what? 2u sin theta by g. Correct na? 2u sin theta divided by g. So on simplification, what happens? U square sin square theta divided by, sorry, h 2g na, u square sin square theta divided by 2g multiplied by g divided by 2u sin theta. What happens? G and g gets cancelled. Okay, one sin theta and the other sin theta gets cancelled. One u and this u gets cancelled. What happens? U sin theta divided by 2 into 2, 4. So h by t is equal to u sin theta divided by 4. So what do we get? H is equal to t into u sin theta divided by 4. H is equal to t into u sin theta divided by 4. Okay, second option. Correct na? So how we have solved it? In all the options there was h and there was t. So that was the hint. So what we did? H by t. Okay, and we got the answer. Okay. Yes. Next. 4 stones. This is very simple. 4 stones are projected with the same speed at angles 30 degree, 40 degree, 70 degree and 60 degree with the horizontal. Range is the largest for the stone projected at the angle. We know that if the angle of projection is 45 degree, range is maximum. Correct. Now what is the equation for range? R equal to u square by g into sin 2 theta. Range is maximum when theta is equal to 45 degree. Range is 0 when theta is 0. When theta is 0, range is 0. When theta is 90. Okay, when theta is 0 degree, range is 0. When theta is equal to 90 degree, range is 0. By 2 into 90, 180. Sin 180 is 0. Correct now? Range is maximum at 45 degree, or if the angle is close to 45 degree, then the range is maximum. See, now out of this 30, 40, 70 and 60, which is very close to 45, this is very close to 45. Therefore, range is maximum for the stone which is thrown at an angle of 40 degree. Okay, simple. Next. Okay, a football kicked by a player is stopped by the goalkeeper after 2 seconds on the ground. Okay, so here there is a football, okay, kicked by goalkeeper, stopped by football kicked by a player, okay, stopped by the goalkeeper after 2 seconds on the ground. Okay, so there was a player here. He kicked the football, okay, and it is stopped by the goalkeeper on the ground. On the ground means what? On the ground after 2 seconds means we got time of flight is equal to 2 seconds. This is very important. Okay, football kicked by a player, stopped by the goalkeeper, on the ground means what? It has completed the flight. So time taken is time of flight. Correct na? Huh. The maximum height attained by the ball above the point of projection. Okay, what is the maximum height? Maximum height we have to calculate. Correct na? Maximum height calculate. Okay, what is the formula? Maximum height equal to u square sin square theta divided by 2g. U square sin square theta divided by 2g. But what they have given, time of flight is 2 seconds. What they have given? Hint, what they have given? Time of flight is 2 seconds. Time of flight, what is the formula? 2u sin theta divided by g is equal to 2 seconds. 2 gets cancelled. What do we get? G equal to u sin theta. See, to calculate maximum height, what is required? What is required is theta is required and u is required. Correct na? Theta is required and u is required. But in this problem, theta is not given, u is also not given. But what is the hint given? Time of flight is equal to 2u sin theta by g. That is equal to 2 seconds. So therefore 2 gets cancelled. G equal to u sin theta. Okay, if g equal to u sin theta, what is u square sin square theta? U square sin square theta will be equal to g square. Correct na? So here what is there in the numerator? U square sin square theta. So h is equal to u square sin square theta means g square divided by 2g. Okay, one g and g gets cancelled. What is g given? G is equal to 10. 10 by 2 is equal to 5 meter. Therefore maximum height attained is equal to 5 meter. Okay, this is not very simple actually. Okay, to find the maximum height, actually they should give initial velocity and angle of projection, but that was not given. But what was given? Time of flight is given. Using time of flight, I can write an equation like this: g is equal to u sin theta, because 2u sin theta by g equal time of flight, that is 2 seconds. 2 gets cancelled. G is equal to u sin theta. So therefore u square sin square theta equal to g square. So in the place of u square sin square theta, I substitute g square. 1 g gets cancelled. H equal to g by 2, 10 by 2, 5 meter. Okay, hope you understood these problems. Okay, if you're not understanding the concepts, again come from the beginning. Okay, which topic is becoming difficult for you, watch the video once again. Okay, do the proper notes. Okay, revise it every day. Okay, so that your NEET and JEE preparation as far physics is concerned will become very easy for you. Okay, thank you very much.